What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day, man. Another video here for you guys, man. Today got you a little bit of a different day. As you can see outside the sky, it's very dim and very dull. We find ourselves over here at my boy's shop, All American Transmission, here in Irving, Texas. They're right here located about a block and a half south of our store, man. We came out here because Houston, we have a problem. We were out the other day with the Mustang. The Mustang gave us a failure in the clutch, and of course, like I told you guys, if I have anything to do with the transmission, I only come to one place and one place only, man. That's All American Transmission, located here in Beltline Road. These are the guys for the job, I guarantee it, man. So we're here right now. We're walking in the building to get ready to have them take a look at the Mustang and see what happened to her and get it going right again so we can figure this out. And we're gonna do what we have to do, man. So I'll introduce y'all in a few minutes and let y'all know what's going on. So guys, we came here right now, man. We got my boy up here right now. I want you to come and meet him. Say your name for the camera. Tony the Tiger, man. He's guaranteed to be the guy that's gonna fix it, man. Like I said before, when you got transmission problem, think of the place to come. Mustang has a problem. Transmission's not going into gear. We bring it to Tony. I called them and got them situated. We're gonna go pick it up now at the house and have it dropped off here for them, because they can take a look at it, see what's wrong with it, and get it fixed again, guys. So let's just see what happens. What's the coolest thing, man, and when you do good by people, man, and people do good by you, it's an amazing thing. Because we're able to come to the shop today and use their tow truck to go pick up our car and bring it back over here, man, which is that little cool thing. Not everybody gives you their tow truck, but we're about to pick up the tow truck right now. It is a flatbed, and we're gonna be using that right now to go pick up our Mustang to bring it to the shop to get these guys situated, man. So we're gonna be rolling. All right, guys, as y'all can see here, man, we're in the tow truck. I'm actually driving the truck. We're going down to the crib right now to go pick up this car and bring it down to All American Transmission here in Irving, Texas. They actually did my HELLCAT a few weeks back. I went out one night to the races and I blew out that clutch. I didn't get all the video for y'all, but I got some of it. I gotta post a video for you guys, but they did the transmission work, man. I've been knowing these guys for a long time. They're right by my shop. They've been A1 since day one, and I'm actually gonna give them the Mustang to go fix it so that my son over there, Isaac, can get back to the streets and start ripping y'all up again, because he's doing great driving that car, man. You guys don't understand. I'm really proud. He's getting down, and then we got this one coming soon to a theater near you. So he'll be coming out here very soon with his car once he gets a permit and stuff like that. And you know, we gotta be the cruise crew and do what we do, man. But we're driving to go get this car. It's a sad day. We should have a moment of, in fact, let's have a moment of silence for the Mustang, everybody. All right, so she'll be coming back to life really soon, y'all. But we'll definitely get it out there and be having some fun with it again, get it to the videos and footage. But it's just things that happen. You got a sports car and you race them as hard as we do, you gotta be expected to put some money into it. It's not gonna always be not a daily driver that you take care of. When you got a car that you race, man, it could take some money out of you. It definitely can take some money out of you. And you gotta be ready to do it. So we're gonna go get this car situated, gonna pick it up real quick, get it delivered to the transmission shop, have them fix it, and move on from there. Just loading it up right now on top of the tow truck, as you can see right here. She is loaded up, she is locked down, she is ready to go. A little emotional, I know, it's for Isaac to see his car in the tow truck, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be, man. Because this car could be getting out there right now. We'll be getting it to the transmission shop and see what's going on and get it situated. So we just finished dropping it off here, man, to All American Transmission here in Irving, Texas, man. We got the baby girl parked right here in the front of the shop. We're about to find out exactly what's wrong with her, get it figured out and get it fixed, so that they can fix this bad boy. Again, I tell you, this All American Transmission here in Irving, Texas. It's definitely a place to come and get it done when you need to get it done, y'all. So come check them out. All right, guys, so we at the shop, man, after dropping off the Mustang over there at the transmission shop to get it checked out and see what's going on with that transmission, man. We got my boy Drew, Bad Boy Bass Heads, up in the building. We got Josh over here in the building.
Sorry.
I have to edit this video now.
Sorry.
So now we have this bad boy, here, Charger, man. You can see that it got two personalities. Got the black on one side, got the green on the other. We'll be installing a front diffuser in this bad boy real quick. We got an Alcalock car back here that they broke the wire for the Alcalock device that goes in the car, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So when we install these for Dallas County, these have these wires, and somebody ripped the hell out of it, y'all. Look, look at the device. They got mad, they ripped it out, and now we have to go and service this. So that's one thing we got here, man, and we got a couple other cars coming in, but I keep y'all posted as the day goes, man. It's just one of those days we're working and doing our thing, working very hard to handle our business, man, and handle what we need to do, guys. So we got my boy Josh over here installing this totally awesome front AR Racing brand splitter. This is how it goes down, y'all. They got the bolts going all the way across. all the way across, because this is the guy doing it here, Mr. Josh in the building, aka known as the best guy around town. If you didn't get it done by AUDIOZONE, you didn't get it done by Josh, you didn't get it done right. It's just gonna work that way. He's actually my protege. And then if you want to get it messed up, now I'm playing, we got bad boy bass over here.
I'm over here banging on it.
It's just playing a game, man. Now we just installing a fog light kit on this young man's car. Get these aftermarket fog lights installed. As you can see, Drew's actually working on it right now. He had nothing in there, and we're getting it all done, y'all. So we're rolling and getting these cars out of here. We keep on getting the bad boy ready. All right, guys. So it's actually good and bad news at the same time. It is actually the clutch. I was hoping it was the transmission because I would have loved to get a brand new one. But it's not the transmission, guys. It is the clutch. We dropped it off here at All American. They're about to get rocking and rolling. They're gonna get some clutches installed and get this bad boy on the road as soon as possible, man, so we can be out there tearing y'all up like we do as the cruise crew. I'm just playing, man. I know some of y'all faster than us, but we just like to have fun and games, man. But come and check us out, man, and we'll get the update when this car's done. Okay, guys, I want to give you guys an update of something that's very important that's going on right now. Mr. REELTOREAL's channel, man. REELTOREAL in the building, here live.
In the building, man.
Want to tell you something that's going on, man. If you haven't seen it, you need to get on it, man. I want to show y'all where he's got a raffle going on. It's a big raffle. You go to your website. Your website is?
Website is REELTOREALmerch.bigcartel.com.
Tell them how you spell it.
REELTOREALMER merch CH dot big BIG cartel CARTEL.com.
Guys, come up to that because I'm gonna show you guys what it is going on right now, right, guys? We have the Nemesis MG, which is the Pro. Everybody likes to see what we got in our cars. This is what I run on my AUDIOZONE, nothing less. This is what we got. This is what he got in his car, 10-inch.
Exactly.
I run the 6.5s. They're really amazing speakers. We got a 3,000 watt monoblock Nemesis audio, brand new in the box, nothing open box. It's all brand new bass knobs, everything there, including spacers for the breathing. The amplifiers here, brand new turbo bass Pro Box series with the ports right here. Cause y'all can see this. Look, got the ports right here. Got 4 of them going across, and here goes the big boys. These are the M, but I want to pay something to you. These are not MVs, not MV1s, MV2s. These are the brand new Nemesis Audio MV3s. They're dual 4. So when you get these things wired up, guys, you'll be able to run a 1-ohm load, giving you all the power that you could possibly think about. I'm gonna remove these from the box with Reel here so you can take a look at this. Because the Mystic series, I want you to pay attention to what's going on. What we got, pull that out so they can see this magnet, y'all. Guys, look at the speaker here. Look at this, guys. I want you to compare this to Isaac Waistline. Look how big that subwoofer is. Look at my hand next to this woofer.
Look it out.
Look at this, guys. So this is the MVs. They come hardcore. The MV3, they're the newest ones out there coming out from Nemesis Audio this year. They're brand new 2020 subwoofers. They are beasts. All this is going for a raffle for $25. Guys, raffles work because if you happen to win, there are people buying 2 or 3 numbers at a time. I bought 4 numbers myself, I'm not gonna lie, because you can't buy this merchandise for $25. You don't even have a chance. So this could be one of the first giveaways that he's doing on his channel. And we're gonna be supporting him here. You know, the team.
Every single 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks they're gonna be one out. I don't know how many spots are left open, not too many. This video should be coming out very soon. I'm gonna have this edit going for y'all to get there because I want you to be able to get onto this. You can win all this. The raffle got $25 tickets.
Another thing for you guys, if you are located in the Dallas area, we will be doing the install for free by your boys truly, REELTOREAL. So, and if you're out of state, we will ship it out for free. So that we just letting you guys know.
The other thing is, guys, if you're a YouTuber, you're starting a channel and you happen to win this too, man, we don't mind you coming by and vlogging this experience for yourself when you're getting this stuff installed in your car and when you're getting done, man. But this is an opportunity all the way around. It's $25 a ticket. There's only so many left, so jump on this as soon as possible, guys, because we'll be doing a live drawing. The way we're doing this out, when you get your name on, you're gonna get a number.
You get a name, you get a number. I end up texting, emailing people their numbers, stuff like that. But whenever the number get pulled, your name, I'm just gonna say the name regardless.
Yeah, go break it again. He got a thing that he bought has like a bingo type thing that has a 0 to 100 in there. He's gonna roll it. Somebody's gonna be live. We're gonna do a live stream. They're gonna pull out that number. If that happens to be your number, you won this merchandise. This is 100% yours. You come pick it up in Dallas. If you need to ship, we'll ship it to you. If you're local, we'll install it free. If you need to ship, we're gonna ship it for free too. Guys, it's an opportunity that's gonna be going on. It's at REELTOREAL merch at bigcartel.com. You can hit us on Instagram. You already know Mr. REELTOREAL on Instagram. You can hit me on Instagram if you want to, and I get you connected to him.
REELTOREAL 901.
You can cash out the money in there, get this going, guys. This is an opportunity. Don't miss out. Get this going, guys. If you got friends and family who want to get a system, this is an opportunity. This is one of many different raffles that we're going to be doing. But guys, get into this one because you can't miss it for $25. Just finished the splinter install. on this Dodge Charger. You can see her coming around here. She's looking good. She's looking right. She's got dual color wrap and she is out the building, y'all. This one is finally ready to go, and we continue with the rest of these cars here. Beautiful Honda Accord here. Oops, they passed by him. We also just finished customizing those fog lights. They do not come onto this car. So we actually got these fog lights and installed them on this beautiful Honda Accord. So now he has a more elegant look in the front. This one's out the door too, y'all. I mean, the day's coming up to the end, man. We got this Grand Marquis that my boy Josh is knocking out right now, getting this bad boy situated. We got this beautiful Toyota Tundra. We just finished doing a remote start on her, getting her out the door real quick. You got the guy blasting copyright over here. But let's drop that copyright. But I'm gonna show y'all what the bad boy got done in it. Unlock here, Drew, so I can show y'all a little bit of what's going on in this world. It's got, you can't really see much, but it got 4.8 sundown SAs ported to the rear.
No, X's.
X's, my bad. Got that 10-inch tablet screen right there, and it got the Viper remote start installed by yours truly over here. And then we got my son over here, Mr. Clutch Burner. No, we're not gonna call him that. We call him the Audio Fox, man. The day's coming to an end, man. We always want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. We're gonna get the results from the clients, see if they're happy, and we move on. All right, guys, because this is what's going on. We got this young man here. What's your name for the camera? DJ. DJ got the beautiful mellow. TJ? CJ. Carlos Juan. CJ. CJ got his system done. He didn't come to AUDIOZONE. He took it somewhere else. He's having a couple issues. He's not happy. We're definitely gonna look at it for right now and try to make him happy, figure out what they did wrong. This window tint needs to be replaced. What's wrong with you? Come on, that Cowboys need to be replaced too. Oh, okay. Cause we got kickers. We got a big box, SPL box. That's good. Let's go see what you got for an amplifier. And let's see what he's got going on here.
I got two.
He got an MTX, man. That's a good ass amplifier, man. Do you know about this? This is an old school amplifier, y'all. Y'all probably don't know about this, but that's a bad boy right there. But I'm about to get into it and see what I could do to make it sound better. Y'all, give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. So we got my young man here, man, named CJ TJ. I don't remember what his name. What is it, TJ? CJ on 32s. You've seen him on there. But now this is CJ right here. Got his stuff done. Came by. We tweaked and tuned it. We told him what he needs to get done. He can make an appointment, man. But I'm going to tell you in the video, it doesn't matter where you got it done. If you need to get it checked out, man, we're here to take care of you. You know what I charged him for the checkup, tuning it and everything? Let me show y'all, man. I was doing cheap labor for the guy today, man. I believe in helping the audio, man, helping my people out. Look, I went and got his car, did a diagnosis, tuned it for a Gatorade. This is y'all owe me some money for this commercial Gatorade, but yeah, this is what I got y'all done for, man. I got him tuned up. He'll be back soon to get that situated, figured out. We'll definitely get it going, man. But that's what we do here at AUDIOZONE, man. 1230 North Beltline Road. We're definitely here to serve you guys, man. We truthfully just ending the day right now. We're at the finale of the day, man. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for the subscribe, man. Thank you guys for enjoying the channel. We're gonna keep on getting better at it, man, and giving y'all more footage. We're gonna start trying to get into some how-tos and stuff, man. We're trying to organize ourselves. We've been so busy, so we gotta kind of organize everything all over again, man. But want to thank y'all for everything y'all done, man. Be good, God.